So in this video we are going to do the last part of the chapter. I'm going to explain you the last part of the chapter. So we'll start from where we have left. The third paragraph, line, yes, he's fine. There's no need for you to get out of the car. I'll go and fetch him. Okay, so Mr. Heroid went inside to get Tricky, and he asked there's no need for Mrs. Pampery to come inside. He will go and fetch Tricky. Okay, let's read further. I walked through the house into the garden. A mass of dogs was hurtling around and round the lawn, and in their midst, ears flapping, tail waving, was the little golden figure of Tricky. In 2 weeks, he had been transformed into a lithe, hard, muscled animal. He was keeping up well with the pack, stretching out in great bounds, his chest almost brushing the ground. Okay. Fetch मतलब होता है to go for and then come bring something back. Okay. Hurtling का मतलब होता है to move or cause to move a high speed, typically in a uncontrolled manner. जब कोई uncontrolled होता है तो वो कहीं भी मूव कर रहा होता है, कुछ कभी कुछ पुश कर रहा होता है, कभी कुछ पुश कर रहा होता है. ये इसका मतलब होता है hurtling. Midst means in the middle of. Lithe, the writer said here that he had been transformed into a lithe, hard muscled. Lithe means thin, supple and graceful. तो lithe का मतलब क्या होता है? बहुत ही graceful और बहुत thin, जो डॉक्टर को ब्लोटेड सॉसेज की तरह लगता था, अब वो बिल्कुल ग्रेसफुल हो गया है. ओके, अंडरस्टूड. नाउ लेट्स कम टू द एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ दिस पैराग्राफ. ओके, so when Mr. Heroid went to the garden behind the house, he saw all the dogs moving around in the garden and Tricky was sitting between them. तो सारे dogs वहाँ पे garden में थे और Tricky इनके बीच में बैठा हुआ था. He had recovered wonderfully in 2 weeks. 2 weeks में वो बिल्कुल ट्रांसफॉर्म हो गया था और बिल्कुल रिकवर कर दिया था. He was looking much healthier, playing with the other dogs and his chest was touching the ground. He had become a good muscular dog. Within 2 weeks, 2 weeks में जो फैट सा एक जो डॉग था उससे चेंज होके वो मस्कुलर डॉग बन गया था. ओके, लेट्स रीड फर्दर. I carried him back along the passage to the front of the door. The chauffeur was still holding the car door open, and when Tricky saw his mistress, he took off from my arms with a tremendous leap and sailed into Miss Pampery's lap. She gave a startled ooh and then had to defend herself as he swarmed over her. Swarmed का मतलब होता है move somewhere in large number. Okay? Licking her face and barking. During the excitement, I helped the chauffeur is the driver, to bring out the beds, toys, cushions, coats and bowls, none of which had been used. As the car moved away, Mrs. Pampery leaned out of the window. Tears shone in the eyes. Shone means a quantity of brightness produced. जब बहुत ज़्यादा आप रो रहे होते हो खुशी के मारे तब एक ब्राइटनेस आँखों में दिखती है, उसको हम शोन बोलते हैं. ओके, SHONE. Her lips trembled. Oh, Mr. Heroid, she cried. How can I ever thank you? This is a triumph of surgery. Okay, so what happened? When Mr. Heroid took Tricky to the front of the house, he saw that the chauffeur was still holding the door of the car. So जो ड्राइवर था वो still कार का जो डोर था वो ओपन करके खड़ा हुआ था. As soon as Tricky saw his mother, यहाँ पे मदर कौन है? उसकी मिस्ट्रेस मिसेस Pampery. He was overjoyed. वो बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हो गया. She saw her mother-like mistress. Okay, he ran away and jumped into the lap of Mrs. Pumphrey and started licking her face. अपना उसका face चाटने लगा, उसको प्यार करने लगा, affection show करने लगा. Barking in excitement, वो bark कर रहा था, वो भौंक रहा था excitement में. While all this was happening, the chauffeur and Mr. Heroid got all the stuff out to the car which had not been used during the treatment in the last 14 days. तो जो last 14-15 days थे उसके लिए जो जितना भी सामान मिसेस पंपरी ने भेजा था, उसके बेड, कोट्स, ये सब कुछ जो भेजा था वो एक बार भी यूज़ नहीं हुआ था. तो जितना भी स्टफ़ था वो कार के अंदर वापस ले जाने के लिए मिस्टर हेरोइड चॉफियर की हेल्प कर रहे थे. दैट इज़ अ ड्राइवर. When Mrs. Pumphrey was leaving, she leaned out of the car and said to Mr. Heroid with tears of joy in her eyes. तो उनकी आँखों में खुशी के आंसू थे ये देख कर कि उनका जो सन लाइक डॉग है वो बिल्कुल ठीक हो गया है. He is better. And she said to Mr. Heroid that this is a trim of surgery, meant the treatment that was given to Tricky had been successful. So surgery means here treatment, and trim, as I've told you in the very beginning, that trim का मतलब होता है victory, success. Okay, so she said at the last that this is the triumph of surgery, which meant that the treatment that was given to Tricky had been successful. So that is why the title of the story here is the triumph of surgery. So it is very apt and appropriate for the story. The title is very appropriate because it has been the phrase has been used in the story. And ये जो सबसे अच्छा टाइटल वही होता है स्टोरी का जो आपको ज़्यादा रिवील ना करे, जो आपको बहुत क्यूरियोसिटी दिखाए कि टाइटल पढ़ने के बाद कि इसके अंदर क्या हुआ होगा. एंड दिस इज़ व्हाट द टाइटल इज़ डूइंग. टाइटल इज़ डूइंग इज़ वर्क. जब उसको हम पढ़ते हैं द ट्रिम्प ऑफ विक्ट्री, द ट्रिम्प ऑफ सर्जरी, तो हमें नहीं पता कि इसके अंदर क्या होने वाला है, किसके बारे में है, कुछ नहीं पता हमें. दिस इज़ क्रिएटिंग क्यूरियोसिटी इन आवर माइंड टू रीड द स्टोरी and to let know why the title of the story is the triumph of surgery, and this is what it is doing, and that is the reason it is an apt title. So I'm ending this video. I want you to go through the whole chapter. It has many difficult words. Read the chapter and just learn the difficult words. Thank you.